Let's learn about WCAG 2.1 Success Criterion 3.2.2 on input. This criterion is designed to ensure that users can perceive when a change has been made to a form control on a web page. To meet this criterion, websites should provide a clear visual indication when a change is made to a form control. Here are some examples of how to implement this criterion in code. Use CSS to change the border or background of the element. You can use CSS to change the border or background of the element when it changes, which will provide a clear visual indication to the user. Here's an example of using CSS to change the border of an input element when it changes. In this example, the valid pseudo class is used to change the border of the input element to a green color when its value is valid. Use ARIA attributes to add a live region. You can use ARIA, accessible rich internet applications, attributes to add a live region to an element. The role attribute can be set to alert or status, and the ARIA live attribute can be set to assertive or polite to indicate the level of urgency for the update. Additionally, the ARIA attributes can be used to add additional information about the element. In this example, a div element is used as a live region to display a message when the user enters an invalid email address. The role attribute is set to status to indicate that the element is a live region, and the ARIA live attribute is set to polite to indicate that the update is not urgent. The ARIA atomic attribute is set to true to ensure that the entire message is read aloud when it changes. The ARIA describe B attribute is used to associate the input with the live region. By following these guidelines, websites can ensure that users can perceive when a change has been made to a form control on a web page, and meet WCAG 2.1 Success Criterion 3.2.2 on input.